What's good, people? It's Jacob. Welcome back to the channel. Now we can see Solana has just pumped massively. It's at a market capital all-time high, looking very juicy. And also looking at the price action, we're getting very close to a new inflation-adjusted all-time high, which is going to be very pretty when we do get there. I do personally think Solana has the potential to get into the $300+ territory this bull market, but we're not here to talk about SOL right now. We're here to talk about no man's land. This is a new Solana gem, in my opinion, that is going to have an incredible future. A 1 billion total max supply. And they did burn recently 5% of the supply, so that's why there's 949 million tokens now in circulation. So this is a new movement mission meme coin. I want to talk about it with you guys because it is indeed a low cap gem. So I personally think this is a great time to be getting into this particular project. There are some huge alpha calls later. It's getting a lot of media attention and it's being pushed into the right places. This is the only movement mission in the world, the only meme coin in the world where someone could actually potentially lose their life because of the dangers that he is going to be going through. There's a contract address on screen. The main man is a guy called Daniel Eggington, who is an extraordinary expeditionist, and he's going out to 6 crazy places. The mission 1 is going to be the Amazon, where he's going through the favelas. The Amazon rainforest is going through the Darien Gap. So this is just incredible in itself. Then he's going to go into the cold Arctic in Sweden. Then he'll be going to the ancient sands in Morocco, where he's also going to unfold the lost city of Atlantis and the treasure that surrounds it. And then he's going to go to the Hunza tribe. Then he's going to go to Sichuan. So he's going Pakistan, Sichuan, Sweden, the Amazon, and then the last and most deadly mission that he's going to do that no man in the world has ever done, hence no man's land, is a big venture into Siberia, a 2,000-mile walk. If that don't get your hair standing up, I don't know what does, because I would not do any of these, and he is doing these. He's going to record his journey. He's going to do philanthropic things when he's out there. He's going to help charities as well, Beyond Boundary Foundation as well. So he's going to help communities and indigenous people and small sort of micro communities that are underprivileged. So this is really cool to see. Obviously, it's got a CoinGecko listing, and they are actually now applying for their official coin market cap listing, which tells you that they are really here to stick around and stay. This is very bullish in my honest opinion right here. So I think we will see the next leg up for this pretty soon. Of course, we've got some resistance at the previous all-time high at 0.01. Now, that was a $10 million market cap, and it did correct since. Seeing a correction wipes out a lot of big bag holders or sort of paper hand people. Came down 48% and has since come up nicely. We can see right now, no man's land is trading in this wonderful sideways channel, which could provide some good upside if we do get a breakout from this particular chart pattern. And I do think, we can go back to these upper levels, especially with a low market cap coin like this, which doesn't take a lot of volume to get it really moving and pumping. We might see some big upside potential over here, like really moving up into those next sort of price discovery regions. I honestly think a coin like this can hit 30, 40, 50, maybe even $100 million market cap. So it's got that 10x potential because of its incredible mission and story that is behind it. There's nothing else like it. And put aside the narrative itself, you've got a fully doxed meme coin or movement mission coin on Solana. It's fully doxed. You can see the dev right here, Dan, which is super important because it gives you trust between the user and, of course, the trust between the consumer, the retailer, and the project itself. So reputation is everything, and they don't want to destroy that. You can see basically today Dan lands in Brazil. He'll be cycling 400 miles into the most dangerous part of the favelas. He's putting his life on the line for NML, and this is just like a little snippet.
A dev like no other.
Let's play it with you.
Everything's on the line, including Dan's life. Dan will start with his charity mission in the project's favelas, then into the Amazon jungle, living there for around 4 weeks, while canoeing upriver from Brazil to Colombia. Once completed, Dan will activate the 5% Christmas Eve burn. Stay tuned and spread the word that the greatest meme coin is now live.
So that is super cool, and there's a 5% burn coming at Christmas Eve, so not far away. It says, are you still fading us? $350,000 burned for the community. The developer is putting his life on the line. Don't regret fading us when we are the moon. So basically, When it was at 10 mil, people were like, I'm an idiot, why didn't I buy? Then it went down to 5 mil, and then they're like, oh, I'm not buying this anymore. And now it's potentially going to go up $10+ million because of the trajectory and the fact that proof of concept has just begun. People now truly believe and see that this meme coin will be pumping soon. So it's definitely worth having a little look at. It's on the Solana chain. You know how that works already. You need a Phantom wallet to buy it. 0% tax, 1 billion supply, liquidity locked in, and the contract is also renounced right here. So very, very bullish, guys. Make sure you check it out. If you're wondering how you buy, you get yourself a Solana wallet like Phantom or Solflare. Convert either Solana USDC or Sol USDT into your desired amount of no man's land coins. Now remember, guys, this isn't financial advice, so never risk more than you can afford to lose. But I do think this will be one of those long-term plays that will show some great results in the upcoming future weeks and months. Of course, if you're new here and you want to amplify your crypto portfolio, check out Jacob's Crypto Clan. Patreon down below. We've only got a few slots left if you want trading signals, analysis, education, insights, indicators, early alpha calls, early contract addresses, and all this good stuff. That is down below to help you find those opportunities and help you grow your crypto portfolio. Space is very limited. And of course, give No Man's Land a good little follow on their Twitter. Follow the journey because they're going to be posting all the content, and they're still very young. They're still in a place where growth is absolutely, in the pipeline and scope, and it's very pragmatic with its current phase. It's just started. This is week 2 of week 60. It's a very long roadmap. It's not an overnight flip. It's a long-term play. See you soon. Peace.